Instead of land sharks, we have kitty sharks. Look at all those happy tails. King, is that your Shasta baby? Huh? Is that your doggy? It's your doggy. Shasta, where's the kitties? Huh? Where's the baby kitties? You just got big kitties now, huh? Okay, Shasta, lay down so they can come see you. There, King says, I love my Miss Shasta. I do, I love my Miss Shasta. Is that your big kitty? Well, hello, Inky. Sir Ashton and King are loving on Shasta. I have no idea why King loves her so much.